Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Sully, and today we are at Center Consoles Only doing a Raymarine install on their reef runner. We have a B175L transducer. It's going to be going into their Raymarine Axiom XL displays. If you've watched any episodes of Sundays with Sully, you already know that this is an L. That means it's a low, it's for deep water. This also has a 20-degree tilted element in it. No fairing block needed. We're gonna be able to mount this right into the hull. Nice, smooth, clean surface. Everything's gonna be great to go. And when we get out there, we're gonna go hunting for some fish.
So I'm just trying to get these in a good spot where
not
you're not
all
gonna
freaking.
Exactly. You know, like all this nice new technology and it's just aerated the whole time.
It's just not working.
So basically, yeah, you're gonna have, one of these, that circle in there will be that hole. And then this deucer here, just basically wherever I can get that to fit in, where it's not gonna get aerated from that. Just like that, right?
Yeah. Yep. Kiss up on that hose. Yeah. Just because cross frequency and noise, you want to get them as far apart as you can. 6 to 8 is ideal. The deuce is floating a little bit.
Yeah, it'll be good though.
No, I know it will be. It's just as you tighten it down, it's.
Feels good on that neck, dude.
How's that feeling?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what our demarcations are there. That's everything we've gone over. And that's if there's something on the bottom. Now we're starting to mark some stuff right there. As this chart opens up, we have to select which sonars we want. So we're going to do our real vision because that's what we're set up with. We're going to set up here. We're going to set this one up, and let's go with chirp low. And then over here we've got our chart. Now, as simple as just enabling our sounder, we're going to enable it. Now we've got our fish finder, we've got our 3D, and we've got our fish chart all set up right here. Just that simple.
So we want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our most recent video, click right here. And if you like what you're seeing, please do us a favor and subscribe right here. Thanks, guys.